The following animation details an architectural proposal for a National Earthquake Museum of New Zealand and was produced for ARCI 312 Architectural Integration at Victoria University in 2015. The design is derived from an understanding of how people behave before, during, and most significantly after earthquake events. Based on population densities and their respective distribution, we can begin to form a geometric pattern of events that reflect people's needs and behaviours. This is illustrated distinctly by the movement of people throughout the central city of Christchurch in the 30 minutes immediately after the February 22nd earthquake. This movement of people is representative across cultures, traditions, and event severities. In the moment of most exposure, immediate reassurance clearly comes in the form of others. From this understanding, a set of geometric rules can be derived. We observe one mass made up of many different entities. Each entity has a different connection. At the core, the mass is ordered. At the periphery, the mass is unexpected. Each entity attracts another. Mass retracts from the established boundaries, retreating inwards to security and unity. Recovery comes as we consolidate and share, becoming a group of many separate entities. The museum's plan is continuous, ever linked by shifting elements. At the core of the mass, the idea is shared. It is a collective. To establish a journey and direction within the convoluted floor plan of the building, a sense of order is generated. Layered analysis of how interlocking circular spaces create dead zones and direct people through voids has been undertaken, and the consequential outcomes result in an intricately detailed geometric plan. Inside is a unified space of congregation and collection with inherent circulative flow. Sightlines are uninterrupted, and the journey is keyed by shifting volumes and lighting conditions. The memorial space is fractured and broken by smaller cylindrical elements. Explored on ground level, the space is maze-like. Confusion is felt. From above, sanctuary is achieved. Security is evident. Structural elements essentially become invisible as they merge with the architectural aesthetic itself. Circular, curved, architectural partitions become reinforced concrete structural walls that act as the primary structural elements. The building has no visible columns. The stringent control of spatial characteristics and the use of structural walls as architectural form has resulted in a building that invites structure to disappear. All systems resisting gravitational loads are integrated into the structural walls, of which are critical architectural elements. Curved beams spanning between 1 and 8 metres in length complete the circular pods to collect gravity loads from reinforced flat slab flooring systems. The building effortlessly shows how we naturally seek a collective after being completely and utterly singled out. This grouping is diverse, indifferent and unexclusive, and yet somehow totally united. Unification is achieved by the visual shift from external solid mass to internal void. The cylindrical forms rise unaided up to 12 metres above the ground level, creating stunning and unique gallery spaces. As a memorial, the building emphasises the process of recovery itself. We all desire to be somewhere we can't see others, and yet, even though others have reached that point, we ourselves are unsure how to reach it.